Alrighty, I was going through all my parts and whatnots and everything I hit, looking for all the parts for this pallet wood guitar that I'm making. Pallet wood 2x4s. So anyway, this is what I came up with. This pickup right here is the one I chose to use. This came out of that kit guitar I made, the jazz kit guitar that I painted the ivory color. This has a really good feel to it. It's just got a good weight to it, and I think it should be all right. It's just a 2-wire. I can't coil split or anything. See, it's just 2-wire, which is fine. Then I found this telly pickup. I don't remember what it came out of. Don't care. That's what we're going to use. And it should be okay. Found a surround for that pickup. I found some 3x3 tuners. I checked all of my tuners out, and I only have 2 sets of 3x3s. And I checked these out. These feel the tightest on the shafts and everything else. That's what we're going to use. Now I do have 2 different kinds of output jacks. This one here I would need to make a plate for it, which would probably be made out of copper since I've got copper. I can always paint the copper, you know, all that stuff. I have this style here, which is made for an acoustic, sits in the butt of an acoustic guitar. And I have all these mixed matched pots. Most of them are, I think they all are 525s. 3 of them are CTS. The other 2, I couldn't read who they were made by. But they're supposed to be 525s. I have these black knobs from another guitar. The only 3-way switch I had. This also came out of the that jazz kit guitar. So I'll be utilizing it. The bridge is a Les Paul style bridge. Don't know where I got it from. Just was in my parts, and it's mixed match parts, but it'll work. And kind of like the guitar. But anyway, these are the screws that go to the surround. And I think it should be about it. So now what this does, it tells me what kind of peg head I need to make. So we're going to make a tilt back like a Les Paul style, you know how the necks bend down. And we're going to do that when I get to making the neck for it. And because I'm going with this kind of a bridge, we'll have to do an angle on the neck to angle the neck back a little bit. And I don't like not tilting the neck back when using this style of bridge. It's too complicated to set the bridge at the right angles and stuff. If you leave your neck flat, then usually what ends up happening is you have to route out on the body to inset your bridge to bring your action down to meet your neck. So it's best when you're setting things up to angle the neck or angle the neck pocket so your neck angles back some. And we'll get more into that when I get that far with the build. But I do have all the parts. I shouldn't have to order anything. At least right now, that's what I'm thinking. I think I'm going to go with what I have here. And about the only thing I might order another one of these orange drop 033s. I do have them in the small little ones there. And I could just wire it to the pot, to the eyelet to the pot instead of. Well, I like these other ones. See, I can go across from the pot to the volume pot to ground the pot off. to ground off the volume pot. And again, we'll get more into that when I get that far. And but anyway, that's what I have. So I'm not going to order anything for it right now. And we'll see what happens. It's turned off cold, and it's not supposed to warm back up again until next weekend. This is a Sunday right now, so it's not supposed to warm up again, I think, till Thursday or Friday or something like that. And it's supposed to be rainy most of the week. And but anyway, that's where we're at with this. All right, I'll talk to you all later.